Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Winda Ningsi. I am a lecturer of communication in Bina Nusantara University. Today, I would like to present my research with title is Woman Representation and Shifting Value in Koplo Dangdut Songs. I will share my screen. Woman Representation and Shifting Value in Koplo Dangdut Song. This is my outline, background and motivation, and then basic theory, and then method, result and discussion, and then conclusion. Background and motivation. Dangdut is the original Indonesian music who loved by children to adults. Dangdut music is considered to be lower class music taste with less attraction and less stylish. Dangdut lyric is become a reflection of society at the time, mainly around the time of love and joy. With Weintraub, 2012, states that Dangdut song is rise many social problems which often avoided by other music genres. For example, regarding gambling, prostitution, poverty, sterility, homelessness, family destruction, and many other. Dangdut is not only reflects the stage of national political and culture, but also as a form of economic, political, and ideological practice that have been helped shape ideas of class, gender, and entity in Indonesia. Dangdut has gone through up and down over time. After the fall of the New Order, Dangdut experienced another flood with the emergence of Dangdut singer with various rocking edge as a hallmark of Dangdut music. Dangdut music is back in vogue with show exploiting women bodies as mere object of spectacle compared to the development of Dangdut itself as entertainment. Dangdut is shown on the screen for almost 10 hours a day. Since 1970 until now, Dangdut has enlivened the political scene by becoming party perform in campaign program. We can see Dangdut show as an entertainment. Dangdut music has entered a new phase with the emergence of the Dangdut Koplo types. Then, Dangdut Koplo today is not synonymous with vulgar rocking and the singer various stage attraction. Currently, Dangdut Koplo is released with a new style where singers have more interaction with the audience by singing together or a duet without any kind of rocking. The moment Via Valen performed has brought Dangdut music to an international sporting event, which automatically gave fresh air to the development of Dangdut music. And then Via Valen and Nela Karisma, who are no new idol for most teenagers and also for the Indonesian people. One of Via Valen's songs entitled Sayang was viewed by more than 20 million times and loved by more than 300,000. An interesting phenomenon of the rise of Dangdut Koplo at the moment is that some lyrics become more and more varied and so quickly get positive reaction from fans. The lyric of the songs that tells about an affair are something that is normal. While affair is a taboo for the Indonesian people and there are social sanctions for the perpetrator, East Java ranks second in the province with the highest number of widows and divorce due to infidelity. There are changes in women's perspective and thinking in dealing with relationships. relationship and feeling of love for a man. An interesting phenomenon for the emergence of dangdut with this new model is that the lyric that tell about forbidden love of infidelity seems to be something normal. Starting with aku kangen bujumu, buju ketikung, dirapi mantan, and many others. Looking at the above phenomena, we would like to address the issues, the issue of women's representation and value shift in dangdut koplo music. This is my basic theory about feminism, assumption that gender inequality in society is caused by class oppression in economic production relation. According to Marx, the relationship between man and woman is comparable to that of the bourgeoisie and the proletariat. The oppression of women is a continuation of the system of exploitation which is structural in nature. So that is does not see patriarchy as a problem, but sees the capitalism system as the real cause. From this perspective, uh, solving women's problem is changing the class structure and severing this with the universal capitalism system. And then critical theory is used to carry out social criticism to dismantle the manipulative balance of power in the lyric content of dangdut koplo songs and to expose the existence of gender bias and shift in noble value in society. This is my method. The research is focused on dangdut koplo as communication medium capable of transforming social value in society through song lyric. Researchers want to see how dangdut koplo present women transforming different social value in society using Norman Fairclough critical discourse analysis, which will explore three main point level. In the first text level, its main packaging, namely songs lyric. In the second, the production process of consuming text or discourse practice. And in the last, how song lyric can transform different value in society in terms of social culture practice. Text packaging. The section discuss the lyric of the dangdut koplo song or the lyrics selected in this way. First, linguistic analysis by looking at vocabulary. Kemudian second, semantic and sentence structure to see how natural and social representation are in the opinion of text produced. And then in the three, how social relationships are presented through the text in the discourse and how the identity of the produce of the text is represented and constructed in the text. And then part of result and discussion, text packaging. Dangdut koplo lyrics are generally bolder and easier in conveying meaning to the opposite sex. In the past, its infidelity was such story for victim. It was usually different from the lyric of today. Many story are played from the perspective of the perpetrator of forbidden love or adultery. There are changes in women's perspective and thinking in dealing with relationship and feeling of love for a man. In the lyric of the dangdut koplo song, it is often found that the marriage bond is no longer seen as something sacred that should be maintained. And then discourse practice. Patriarchal culture is still rooted in society, leaving men in a position that will always benefit from it. The man who is the cause of the problem is justified and accuses his wife of being guilty. Men are positioned higher and become objects that two women fight and fight over. While producing and consuming lyric, men continue to dominate in certain ways. Even though they are something so as positive, but they are the ones who get the defense. Dangdut appears with new packaging and a flaw photo through the lyric and the performance of the singer. We can see Livia Valen and Neala Karisma Dangdut deliver koplo music in a very relaxed, non-vulgar way, and the dresses simply but fashionable, just like a Korean style. This is special attraction for millennial to more easily accept dangdut koplo as entertainment to be enjoyed. The development of increasingly sophisticated communication media has provided easy access for the public to get information, including dangdut koplo entertainment, dangdut koplo song for entertainment. Uploading dangdut koplo songs can be done by anyone, unlike conventional dangdut, which is distributed through video clips, especially created by the production team. Dangdut koplo show on the network media are usually the result of the commentation of the event taking place from the stage to the stage and uploaded by dangdut music fans. The flexibility of dangdut music uh, to adopt the time has made dangdut koplo a music that can adopt in an era of disruption of innovation. And then social culture practice. Dangdut koplo has become a form of resistance against various oppressive systems and was founded by advocacy group. Dangdut is synonymous with exploring women bodies, depicting women as mere object of sexuality has now been replaced by a more polite and elegant appearance. There are still many dangdut lyrics describing the different types of women who often codify women's ability to appear bold and confident is not always viewed positively in the dangdut koplo songs. Women are still considered less rational, are often emotional, and are not good at controlling themselves either. Women who turn out to be active are even brought up with a shift in their value. Women with a positive image are gentle and polite. Here women appear with an active attitude but in a negative sense. Active for matters that are not in accordance with the value and norm that exist society. And then my conclusion, dangdut koplo lyrics are bolder and simpler in conveying feeling to men. There has been a change in the perspective and thinking of women in responding to their love relationship with men. Patriarchal culture is still rooted in society, leaving men in position that will always benefit from it. Dangdut koplo has become a form of resistance against various oppressive systems and has been founded by interest groups. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have a question, please don't hesitate. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.